We are now approaching the application process with regards to Illinois' medical marijuana cannabis program. It's quite an exhaustive process. I've got the application in hand right now, and for a lot of people this is going to be daunting. We've been preparing for this for a year, for well over a year. So to fill in everything that the state is requiring with regards to this application, we've got a lot of pieces of the puzzle we're still putting together, but for the most part, we feel pretty confident that we'll be able to satisfy the state's needs or even exceed the state's needs with regards to what is being requested to have a safe, secure, and a place where people are going to feel comfortable coming in for their medical cannabis. The whole idea behind pharmacist involvement in this process, I am 100% behind that. And I think just based on what I've seen in the application, there is a lot of things that really tie right into this whole process of practicing pharmacy, with security, with inventory control, with dealing with products that require a lot of oversight and monitoring, as well as the patient aspect of this thing. Marijuana is not a benign drug. There are side effects. In fact, I think of one right off the top of my head. Many heart patients are on a drug called warfarin. Cannabis can interact with warfarin that can make the levels of warfarin in your blood get out of whack. So we're going to be able to counsel patients with regards to those particular patients that have drugs that could potentially interact with drugs like warfarin, just as an example. Outside of this, we are working extremely hard. I don't even have time to walk my dog at this point. The idea of getting together with my partners and getting everything filled out with regards to this application is going to be more than a full-time job over the next 20 days. This application is due to the state at the Thompson Center in Chicago. I have to hand it off by 3 p.m. on Monday, the 22nd of September. And I hope to be there at that time, getting time stamped and making this thing a success.